Eating healthy is often associated with being expensive, but in reality, it can actually save you money in the long run and even make you rich. In this video, we'll be discussing 7 reasons why eating healthy can make you rich. So, let's get started. 1. Reduced healthcare costs. Eating a healthy diet can significantly reduce your risk of developing chronic diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. By avoiding these costly diseases, you can save a significant amount of money on healthcare costs in the long run. 2. Increased productivity. Eating a healthy diet can also improve your productivity and focus. By providing your body with the nutrients it needs, you can avoid the midday crash that often results from unhealthy meals. This increased productivity can lead to career advancement and more income. 3. Better mental health. Eating a healthy diet can also improve your mental health. Studies have shown that consuming a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. This can lead to better overall well-being and increased productivity. 4. Longer lifespan. Eating a healthy diet can also increase your lifespan. By avoiding chronic diseases and maintaining a healthy weight, you can live a longer and healthier life. This can lead to more time to accumulate wealth and enjoy retirement. 5. Lower food costs. Contrary to popular belief, eating healthy can actually be cheaper than eating unhealthy foods. By purchasing fresh produce and cooking meals at home, you can save money on expensive fast food and prepackaged meals. 6. Improved sleep. Eating a healthy diet can also improve your sleep quality. Studies have shown that consuming a diet high in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can improve sleep quality and reduce sleep disturbances. This can lead to better overall health and increased productivity. 7. Increased energy. Eating a healthy diet can also increase your energy levels. By providing your body with the nutrients it needs, you can avoid the midday crash that often results from unhealthy meals. This increased energy can lead to more productivity and income. And that's it for our list of 7 reasons eating healthy can make you rich. By maintaining a healthy diet, you can not only save money on healthcare costs but also improve your overall well-being, productivity, and longevity. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be expensive, and the payoff can be significant. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this. Also, feel free to leave a comment below and let us know your thoughts on how eating healthy can make you rich. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.